Hello everyone, my name is Parag and you have started watching a Lifescience Insider. So in this video, I'm going to tell you about opportunity for this online course on molecular cloning, and this has been organized by Flowcytometry Solutions. It's a company, and so it's a website that has been given, that is www.flowsouls.com, and the online course on the molecular cloning has been started. So it will be from it will be starting from the 19th to 26th January 2025 from the 7 p.m. to 9 p.m. IST, and the highlights are basic of cloning and its applications, DNA manipulation and vector preparation, cloning vectors, restriction enzymes, PCR for gene amplification, designing gel electrophoresis, ligation, competent cell preparation, transformation screening, and clone selection. So these are the highlights they will be discussing about this, and the invited speakers are Dr. Aruna Goenka Agrawal, Director of Flow Cytometry Solutions, Jaipur; Dr. Aniruddha Singh, Associate Professor, Sam Global University; Dr. Satyabrata Bag, HOD QC of Black BioDX; Dr. Sivendra Chaurasia, Associate Professor, Manit. Okay, and how to apply? Fill the registration form online by clicking the registration button below. Make payment by scanning the QR on right hand side and send the receipt via email. For international payment, send us the request for the payment link. And from the India, student technician, JRF, SRF trainee from academia will require 1000 to be paid, and the postdoc resident, JRSR faculty, technical or research officer, consultant, and research associate will require 1500 to be given, and the diagnostic lab company non-academic will have to pay 2000 rupees, and outside India can have to pay $50 US dollars. And these are the code you can pay through this, and reading material will be provided. Recording for all sessions will be available to watch. E-certificate will be given to all registered participants, and the last date of registration will be 18th January, and this is the registration link. I will also give this link in the description, and discount on the registration fee will be 10% for the group of 5 for more. Okay, and so this is the all the things, and let's talk about the program. In the 19th January, the topic 1 will be introduction to molecular cloning, types of cloning, virtual exploration of DNA plasmid maps, enzyme database, and discussion on the experimental designs. Dr. Aniruddha Singh will be the speaker. The topic 2 was 20th Jan 2025, 7 p.m. to 9 p.m. DNA manipulation, vector preparation, enzyme based digestion, designing PCR primers, polymerase chain reaction, gel electrophoresis, DNA gel extraction and quantification will be taught by Dr. Aruna Goenka Agrawal. And the topic 3 will on the 22nd Jan 7 p.m. to 9 p.m. ligation and transformation, overview of DNA ligation methods, transformation techniques, chemical and electroporation, key factors influencing transformation efficiency, troubleshooting ligation and transformation issue using the case studies, and simulation of the plasmid assembly tools by Dr. Satyabrata Bag. And the 25th Jan it will be 7 p.m. to 9 p.m. screening and verification, screening methods, antibiotic selection and blue white screening, verification techniques, colony PCR, restriction, digestion and sequencing, bioinformatics tools for sequencing analysis by Dr. Sivendra Chaurasia. And the last day will be 26th Jan, where the topic 5th, that is application of cloning, real world application, protein expression, gene therapy and synthetic biology will be taught, and the importance in research, industry and medicine, common challenges and troubleshooting tips will be given. Any queries you can contact the training at foldsouls.com. I will be giving this registration link in the description. So thank you so much guys for watching this video, and if you don't want to miss any kind of opportunities this conferences, admission to the PhD, and competition examination, internship, any kind of video you want, I will never let you down. So please do subscribe this channel. Have a good day. Thank you.